Good morning guys, welcome back to my sister's channel. It's like 8:30 in the morning right now. I just had breakfast, watching some YouTube on telly, and I'm just about to paint my nails. So I'm going to do that, and I think today feeling a little bit better, so I think we are going to go for a drive somewhere. I don't know yet where yet, but keep on watching and I'm sure you guys will find out. Hey guys, so right now we're in the car.
I'm just laughing because you know last night Ella goes, "I love you on your channel," and I said, "What?" She goes, "You just sit there like an extra."
Well, I won't say talk,
but I never know what to say because you already say everything, so then I just sit here.
And we are in Lawn and I'm going to show you the view right now, and then soon we are going to say it. Soon we are going to
Erskine Falls.
Erskine Falls. Seen the waterfall and now we're walking back and I'm kind of scared. Me and Mia are doing it. Who says girls can't do things by themselves? Cool, yeah. Okay, I'll let you know when we're back. Hello. Hi Mum.
Hi baby.
Isn't it a nice view? Oh, it's I know, my legs are shaking too. I'm actually boiling.
Actually, you know, my legs are actually shaking from coming down the stairs with Tommy.
Oh, wait till you go up the stairs.
Because I was actually carrying 9 kilos of weight as I was coming down.
Hey Tom, how you holding up?
Is this my water?
So cool.
That's mine.
Dreaded stairs. Run! I'm kidding, you can't run up these. I'm puffed like the moment I get... Mia, how can you be running up these? I made it back.
What just happened?
I don't know what just happened. Hey Mum, how you going? Stuffed.
No,
and poor Tom just went to keep going.
She was just crazy.
The first time I walked up here with Sam, I was like, dog, and my tongue out.
Like
now we're off to a lighthouse.
Yes.
Random. Dad was driving manual just then, but on the way up here there were controlled burns, and yeah, we thought we were gonna die. I did.
He was
I reckon there'll still be controlled burning on them through here. So
let's hope the control
and not out of control. We'll show you guys when we see the control burn. I think they're coming up soon. No, they're being far down the road.
Yeah, like as soon as you go over that hill.
We're going to stop at Lemonade.
Oh yeah, and take that photo. What we're doing? It's accommodation. You can stay here. Sam, want to take me here? Hint, hint. How pretty. I'm alright now. Probably because I do 1,000 squats a day. Right now we're just walking to take a photo. Is it like rainforest through there, Mum? It looks pretty there. Cool. I want to live here. Yeah, I know. I said hint, hint. Sam, can you take me here?
Yes, Sam. Jesus Christ.
Thought you were a boyfriend. Okay, she can
Don't say that.
Please don't say that.
No,
Dad just said I hope Embers don't hit the car.
Suffocate. No. No.
Oh my god.
No, record the front.
They shouldn't be letting people up.
No.
You know the poor
Oh my
like
God.
animals and
You
stuff,
can't even
and
see it.
insects all stuck in this.
what it looks like right now. Look at this. This is not good.
Mummy missed the fireman.
Fireman. Oh my god.
We're free. We're safe. I felt so trapped.
Look at it all down there. Oh my god. To the lighthouse up the treacherous hill, and we've made it. So now we're just walking down the paths and we'll be there pretty soon. And this lighthouse here, I don't know if any of you guys have watched it, but do you remember a show? Have you ever watched Going Around the Twismere?
Yes. But
Well, this lighthouse apparently was the one in it. So we're just walking. Tommy's got more energy right now than any of us.
Weird episode of it.
Yeah, it's kind of like
And
one
the boy turns, gets pregnant.
What?
To an elf.
Are you
And
sure?
then and then he has the baby through his throat and it comes out green.
Oh.
No, it is. It's round the twist.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Anyway, we're at the
Finds you out
lighthouse
in
and I'm
the
going to show you guys. So it's the lighthouse. And just walking towards it. You can like touch it. It's pretty damn cool. We're here. Look at how tall high that is. I don't even know if you can see it. Instagram photo.
Oh yeah, it's a good idea. This lighting great over here.
And then there's where look out to the ocean. It's pretty cool.